My name is Basuraj Kirmalnavar, working as Assistant Professor at Cambridge Institute of Technology, Bangalore. This video captures a concept from Strategic Management course of MBA second semester, VTU 2018 scheme. Today we shall discuss VRIO model: value, rareness, imitability, organize. VRIO framework is a strategic analysis tool designed to help organizations uncover and protect the resources and capabilities that give them a long-term competitive advantage. VRIO framework is the tool used to analyze firms' internal resources and capabilities to find out if they can be a source of sustained competitive advantage. The framework should be put into play after the creation of a vision statement, but before the strategic planning process. Now, let us engage ourselves in discussing VRIO strategic analysis tools in an elaborative manner. First component of VRIO strategic analysis tool is valuable. The first question of the framework asks if a resource adds value by enabling a firm to exploit opportunities or defend against threats. If the answer is yes, then a resource is considered valuable. Resources are also valuable if they help organizations to increase the pursued customer value. The second component of VRIO strategic analysis tool is rare. A resource that is uncommon and not possessed by most organizations is rare. Rare and valuable resources grant competitive advantage. Resources that can only be acquired by one or few companies are considered to be rare. If a certain valuable resources is possessed by a large amount of players in the industry, each of the players has a capability to exploit the resources in the same way, thereby implementing a common strategy that gives none of the players a competitive advantage. Such a situation is indicated as competitive parity or competitive equality. Therefore, rare means being different in the eyes of the stakeholders of the organization. Third component of VRIO strategic analysis tool is imitate. A resource is costly to imitate if other organizations does not have it, can't imitate, buy or substitute it at a reasonable price. Imitation can occur in two ways: by directly imitating, that is duplicating the resources, or providing the comparable products or services, that is substituting. The last component of VRIO strategic analysis tool is organize. A firm must organize its management systems, processes, policies, organizational structure, and culture to be able to fully realize the potential of its valuable, rare, and costly to imitate resources and capabilities. Only then the companies can achieve sustained competitive advantage. The key takeaways of today's session are: the VRIO framework complements other strategic analysis methods such as SWOT analysis to provide your organization with clear-cut competitive advantages. VRIO analysis can be applied company-wide or to individual department for a well-rounded view of how each aspect of your business should position itself in the marketplace. It's important to continuously review your framework. Capabilities change over time and competitors adopt. As I have stated in the beginning, the best time to review your VRIO strategic analysis tool is at the onset of your strategic planning process. Committing to the VRIO process and evolving your analysis over time will protect your sustained competitive advantage. To conclude, VRIO model is one of the important models of strategic management we have discussed today. We are going to discuss other important concepts of strategic management in the next lecture videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.